Tired of tossing and turning night after night? You're not alone. In a world that never stops buzzing, restful sleep has become more elusive than ever. But here's the question: what truly helps us sleep better? Is it the sleek innovation of modern sleep tech, or the soothing rhythm of nature's embrace? Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown: gadgets versus nature. Who wins the battle for your sleep? Welcome to the age of smart sleep. From wearable sleep trackers that analyze your sleep stages, to white noise machines that block out disturbances, and smart sleep masks that simulate sunset and sunrise, sleep technology promises to revolutionize the way we rest. With these gadgets, we can now monitor everything: how long we sleep, when we toss and turn, even our oxygen levels during sleep. It's not just about tracking, it's about hacking your way to better sleep. Tech tools help build better sleep hygiene with bedtime reminders, calming sounds, and personalized insights. But could there be a downside? Yes, sleep tech offers insights, but at what cost? Overdependence on gadgets can make us anxious when we forget to wear our tracker. Privacy concerns arise. Where's all this sleep data going? And sometimes the screens and settings meant to help us just keep our brains more alert. The solution meant to calm us down might be just another thing keeping us up. Long before apps and algorithms, there was nature, and nature has always known the secret to sleep. Imagine this: a cool, dark room, the scent of lavender in the air, the gentle rhythm of deep breathing, guided by nothing but your own body. Practices like grounding, left nostril breathing, and sunset walks regulate our internal clock, our circadian rhythm naturally. No devices, no data overload. Just a return to the rhythms we're built for. Science supports both sides. Studies show that sleep trackers can improve sleep awareness and even help in diagnosing sleep apnea. Meanwhile, exposure to natural light during the day and cool, dark environments at night increase melatonin production, your body's natural sleep hormone. And here's the truth: sometimes the best sleep plan may not be just gadgets or just nature. It's about balance. What if we didn't have to choose? Use sleep tech to guide you, but let nature heal you. Try using a sleep tracker to understand your cycle, but commit to winding down with natural light, breathwork, or herbal teas. Enjoy binaural beats or white noise, but let your room be filled with fresh air and plants that purify. It's not a battle, it's a partnership where technology supports what nature already offers. In the end, it's not about the gadget or the garden. It's about giving your mind, body, and spirit what it truly needs: rest. Whether you find it in a whispering breeze or a soft hum from your sleep device, let it be your sanctuary. Which side are you on? Gadgets or nature? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more mindful living tips.